So this is our marina, Sugarloaf Marina in Port Colborne. And that's Dock F way over there. So it won't be long and our boat will be here. Absolutely gorgeous day today. Stunning. Unfortunately, I'm working. I'm just here on my lunch checking things out. And there's the Sugarloaf Marina office. There's a pavilion and they do some concerts there in the summer. There's a lovely restaurant above called Whiskey and Walleye. We go there quite often on a Saturday night. So, a few boats are in, getting ready to start the season.